Hey, this is Dean from Autotech. We have now disassembled this vehicle. It's here for a post repair inspection, and we really found some pretty sad work that this chain shop did for this customer. The good news is they used a factory fender on the car. The bad news is they never painted the inside of it, so if you look at the two side by side, they clearly don't look the same. They also left tape on there with the RO number, so in case anybody ever needs to know, it was RO 5224. And they left the label from Honda in there. This is the factory wheel skirt from the other side that came off. This is the aftermarket wheel skirt from this side. This one says Honda, that one says something I can't really pronounce. The holes are all wide and open, so probably because it doesn't fit the right way. And also the insulators don't look the same. They failed to notice that his hood cable was kinked. When it got hit, it pinched it up against the frame rail. So the hood release cable was probably going to fail, but I think they just overlooked it and never did anything with it. But at some point, the customer would have went to pop his hood, and that probably would have broke on him. They also defrauded the customer in a small way, but they billed him to repair this area of the frame rail on the side. And even their green marks are here showing where the repair should have been. But they never did anything with it. They're still bare metal, and it's starting to rust on the side. They charged a bunch of time to repair his bumper. You can see the real sloppy repair. It's even splitting open right here. They also glued over the other side and never even painted that. It's really bad looking. They put this piece on, never even fit the clips into the slots. That one they just bent right under. This one never even made it in. And it feels like they painted it because this should be smooth from the factory. This is kind of a joke. They patched up his fog light bracket, which also looks horrendous. And they could have bought it for $8.18, but instead it looks like they glued it all back together again. They did buy a new molding for the customer, but the funny thing is they never pulled the clear strip off the adhesive to put it on. So luckily it has some clips along with it, but they never pulled the adhesive off. And the weirdest thing of all is the way the grill hooks into the headlight. Instead of buying the clips for $1 or $2 to go in there, they actually hot glued the grill to the headlight, and nothing fit right on the grill area. I mean, this was just really just overall just a sad repair. This shop should be ashamed of themselves, but hey, when you talk to your insurance company, they're going to send you there and they're going to tell you this shop does awesome work and they guarantee their work, and this is the golden child of the insurance industry. They're a chain that's all across the nation, but this work is sloppy. It's really pathetic, and they should be sad that they turn out this kind of work to their customers. Oh, there goes his bracket. This is Dean at Autotech. Check us out at autotechcollision.com.